Wherever David is, he's the...
I've spoken to you before. Okay. What happened to Applebee's thing? You guys, I know you guys moved because everybody was supposed to know about that. They moved over here. Are you guys still looking for a place to go? You still looking for a place to go?
Sort of.
Oh,
we actually float around for the most part whenever we have actual SRCD branded meets. This is not. So this was, it was like, that white.
This is going to be a good video, and I'm going to post this on YouTube of anyone who shows up to this meet and causes problems. Stop showing up to this meet.
This is why we never far. No, Wisconsin.
Oh, you're not Nick.
You're arrested.
I'm not Nick.
I will be Nick. You're arrested. I'll leave right now.
Hey, bro.
Loud music night goes far. Everyone is now.
No. Probably I wanted to. No, never.
I've never tried. You haven't just seen this.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Yes. No, but I have spoken to you. Oh, no, Wyatt. Yeah, you would sit in your top hour.
And now back to the show on.
Mexico.
Right there?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yep.
No way. What? What?
Yeah.
We were fine.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Like you said, you get up there so quick.
You just don't even realize it. Just like the game, like in the fours, I was just like, yep, like that quick, you're up, you're that quick, you're up there. I mean, for 600 horsepower, it moves pretty good.
Dude, that was like 7 seconds, 8 seconds.
Yeah, it was really quick. And like, I don't even notice it because I'm looking at my air to feel and watching my boost and everything
Oh
else.
my god.
Well, guys, I hope Chris enjoyed his first super ride. What do you tell him what you think of your first ride?
Insane. Absolutely insane. I can't believe it, how fast it gets up.
Yeah, I mean, it's weird. It's like odd. I remember last time I was just like, oh yeah, like it just gets up.
Yeah.
It was like that quick. You know what I mean?